Can you instantly transfer money from Apple Cash directly to a bank debit card? The short answer is not directly. Apple Cash primarily facilitates instant transfers to your linked bank account. Think of Apple Cash as a digital wallet holding your funds. Here's how it works in 2025. First, ensure your debit card is associated with a bank account that's linked to your Apple Wallet, Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay. Then, within the Wallet app, select your Apple Cash card and tap Transfer to Bank. Choose the Instant Transfer option. Keep in mind that there may be a small fee, around 1.5%, for transfers exceeding $1,000 in a month. The money will arrive in your linked bank account within minutes, according to Apple. From there, you can use your bank's app or website to transfer funds to your debit card if your bank supports that feature. So while not a direct transfer, it's a fast path. While direct Apple Cash to debit card transfers aren't yet available, there are workarounds using third-party apps like Venmo or PayPal. You can transfer your Apple Cash balance to these platforms if they're linked, then move the money to your debit card. Be aware that these services may have fees or transfer limits, typically 1 to 3% for larger amounts. Another option is using real-time payment networks like Zelle through your bank app. Looking ahead, the trend is towards faster and more seamless payments. Experts predict that by 2027, Apple Cash might use AI-driven fraud detection and blockchain for secure transfers, possibly enabling verified instant transfers to any debit card. Regulatory changes and partnerships with financial institutions could streamline the process. For now, keep an eye on Apple Wallet updates.